Looking for the perfect way to kickstart your mornings? The best coffee maker for dorm room brings convenience and flavor right to your desk. Compact, easy to use, and quick, it's a must-have for every student. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ninja Coffee Maker for Dorm Room. The Ninja Coffee Maker for Dorm Room is a versatile and compact brewing solution designed to meet every student's coffee needs. One of its standout features is the ability to brew with either coffee grounds or pods, giving users the flexibility to choose convenience or flavor according to their preference. With 3 distinct brew styles, classic, rich, or over ice, this coffee maker caters to all taste preferences, whether you enjoy a smooth morning cup, a bolder taste, or a refreshing iced coffee. The machine also offers ultimate brew versatility with multiple size options. Pod brews range from 6 to 12 ounces, while grounds brews can be customized from 6 to 24 ounces. Its compact design makes it perfect for limited dorm room countertops, and the thoughtful storage drawer ensures that the brew basket or permanent filter is neatly tucked away when not in use. The removable 56-ounce water reservoir is easy to fill, minimizing trips to the sink and allowing you to brew multiple cups in one go. One of the most impressive features is the thermal flavor extraction duo, which ensures even saturation of coffee grounds or pods and precise temperature control, resulting in ultra-flavorful coffee every time. Whether you're brewing for yourself or friends, this Ninja Coffee Maker delivers cafe-quality drinks efficiently and reliably, making it an ideal choice for busy students who don't want to compromise on taste, convenience, or space. Its combination of versatility, quality, and user-friendly design makes it a top contender among dorm room coffee makers. Number 2. Keurig Coffee Maker for Dorm Room. The Keurig Coffee Maker for Dorm Room is a popular choice for students who want fast, fresh, and customizable coffee without taking up too much space. Its standout feature is the ability to brew over ice, automatically adjusting the brewing temperature to extract the full flavor from coffee while preventing excessive ice melt. For those who prefer a stronger cup, the machine offers a strong brew option for a more intense and satisfying coffee experience. Students can also select from 3 convenient cup sizes, 8, 10, or 12 ounces, making it easy to brew a single cup for a quick morning fix or a larger cup to stay energized throughout the day. The 42-ounce removable reservoir allows you to brew up to 4 cups between refills, reducing interruptions and making it ideal for dorm life. With a fast and fresh brewed function, both hot and iced coffee are ready in minutes, perfect for students juggling classes and study sessions. The Keurig Coffee Maker is also travel mug friendly, thanks to the removable drip tray that accommodates tumblers up to 7 inches tall, ensuring that coffee can be brewed directly into your preferred mug. The energy-efficient auto-off feature saves electricity by shutting down 5 minutes after the last brew, making it both convenient and environmentally friendly. Additionally, it is compatible with the My K-Cup Universal Coffee Filter, so users can enjoy their own ground coffee instead of relying solely on pods. Combining ease of use, speed, and adaptability, this Keurig Coffee Maker is an excellent choice for dorm rooms, providing flavorful coffee in a compact and reliable package. Number 3. Mecity Coffee Maker for Dorm Room. The Mecity Coffee Maker for Dorm Room is designed for simplicity and efficiency, making it an excellent option for students who want fresh coffee with minimal effort. Its operation is straightforward. Simply add water to the removable reservoir, insert a coffee pod, press the brew button, and enjoy a delicious cup in minutes. Beyond coffee, this versatile machine can also brew loose-leaf tea using one of its 3 included filters, providing options for tea lovers without the need for a separate kettle. Precision and speed are key strengths of the Mecity Coffee Maker, thanks to its smart flow management system that ensures each cup is brewed to the desired 6, 8, or 10-ounce size in just 60 to 100 seconds. Its compact footprint, measuring 6.3 inches in width and 10.6 inches in height, allows it to fit seamlessly on small dorm room countertops while remaining portable for travel. The 50-ounce reservoir accommodates up to 8 cups, making it convenient for students who need multiple servings throughout the day. Cleaning is hassle-free, with BPA-free materials and a detachable filter basket and drip tray that can be washed directly. The machine also includes a decal mode, simplifying maintenance and ensuring long-term performance. For dorm dwellers seeking a reliable, fast, and easy-to-use coffee maker that also supports tea brewing, the Mecity coffee maker is an ideal choice, offering consistent quality, compact design, and practical functionality without unnecessary complications. Number 4. Tastyle coffee maker for dorm room. The Tastyle coffee maker for dorm room offers a flexible and user-friendly brewing experience, perfect for students who want quality coffee without taking up much space. Its two-way brewing system supports both coffee grounds and pods, allowing users to choose their preferred method, while 3 distinct brew styles, classic, bold, or over ice, cater to every taste. With 6 brew sizes ranging from 6 to 24 ounces, the Tastyle coffee maker provides options for a single cup or full travel mug. The removable 40-ounce water tank allows for multiple cups before refilling, enhancing convenience in busy dorm schedules. The design also includes a heightened drip tray to prevent spills and accommodate travel mugs up to 7.3 inches tall. Cleaning is simple, thanks to a built-in cleaning function and removable, dishwasher-safe components. Energy-saving features, such as auto shut-off after 10 minutes, make this coffee maker both practical and environmentally friendly. Safety is also prioritized with BPA-free materials, a water shortage alert, and dry boil protection. Additionally, the compact design and versatile brew basket that can also handle tea leaves ensure that this coffee maker is an all-in-one solution for dorm room beverage needs. With a combination of space-saving design, ease of use, and reliable performance, the Tastyle coffee maker provides a convenient, flavorful, and safe coffee experience, making it a smart choice for students seeking both practicality and variety in their daily caffeine routine. Number 5. SHARDOR coffee maker for dorm room. The SHARDOR coffee maker for dorm room is a highly versatile and compact machine designed to suit every student's coffee routine. It offers 3 brewing options, allowing users to choose between standard K-cup pods, ground coffee, or even loose-leaf tea, providing flexibility to match personal taste preferences or mood. Every cup is brewed at the optimal temperature with precise extraction, resulting in rich, flavorful, cafe-quality coffee at home. The SHARDOR coffee maker also offers multiple brew sizes, ranging from 6 to 14 ounces, giving students the freedom to enjoy a quick espresso shot or a full travel mug, depending on their needs. Its slim profile, measuring under 5.1 inches in width, makes it perfect for tight dorm room countertops, while still accommodating travel mugs up to 7.2 inches tall through the removable drip tray. Beyond its space-saving design, the machine is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring hassle-free use during busy study schedules. With its combination of brewing versatility, quality flavor extraction, and thoughtful, compact design, the SHARDOR coffee maker is a convenient, reliable, and stylish option for students who want a high-quality coffee experience without the bulk or complexity of traditional coffee machines. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.